Welcome back to our channel, where we explore ways to live a healthy and balanced life. Today, we're diving into the topic of detoxification and discussing the 6 best foods to cleanse your body from toxins. So let's get started. First one is lemon. Our first detoxifying food is none other than the humble lemon. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons are excellent for supporting liver function and promoting digestion. Start your day with warm lemon water to kickstart your detox journey. Second one is leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. These nutrient powerhouses are rich in chlorophyll, which helps eliminate toxins from the body. Incorporate them into your salads, smoothies, or lightly sauté them for a nutritious boost. Third one is garlic. Don't underestimate the power of garlic when it comes to detoxification. This potent ingredient activates liver enzymes, promoting the elimination of harmful substances. Add it to your meals or enjoy it in a detoxifying garlic soup. Fourth one is ginger. Moving on to ginger, a spice that has been used for centuries for its cleansing properties. Ginger aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports the body's natural detoxification process. You can enjoy it as a tea, in stir-fries, or as an ingredient in your smoothies. Fifth one is berries. Now let's talk about berries, nature's delicious detoxifiers. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Snack on them or add them to your morning oatmeal for a flavorful detox boost. Final food is turmeric. Last but not least, we have turmeric, a golden spice with incredible detoxifying properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. You can incorporate turmeric into your meals, teas, or even try a golden milk recipe. And there you have it, the 6 best foods to cleanse your body from toxins. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, get plenty of sleep, and exercise regularly for a holistic approach to detoxification. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.